Kazan tawte bugusang norno di borjaro ani channel hai lamsuk phiro ang taw nor bai kaisa kokthuma tai kokbokhrung tei kwrwngnai abo hwnkhe tinini je assembly session ni je budget session tongmani tini je second day nya kheba tini paithak tongmani amo taibo cholina tongmani haphiaba coronavirus ni bagwi aboni restriction nasigwi budget session tini muthakjakmani kok haifano tinini je opposition leaders rok assembly painse singno aro nongkhorui phaikha tamoni borok kisa kok salainani je speaker no borok request nangmani bongna kokno khanajakli angwi borok ongkhorui phaikha hinkhe khajang tawtoi bugusung ang chengna sangnorbai hai no tini kobong narugo ani channel tago norok kebo subscribe khlaiya tong hwnkhe please subscribe khlaidi tai sanai tei bai rok bai share khlai kwbang khe na subscribe khlaina kok sadi ke khajang tawtoi bugusung tagang norbai kwrwng bai thanai pilonaro swijak tongo opposition walks out of Tripura Assembly on day 2nd. As opposition's questions were rejected again, Assembly session ends today with coronavirus outbreak. Inka opposition leader of tinini je salni salo tai paithang salo bongni je kok sungnani narakdi kok salainani narakdi nei je sajak samani abo gohije ni bagui bora assembly session ongkhori phaikha tai tinino assembly paikha coronavirus bagui tini parijakha inke bising naikana borok tam bag tamni tei kok sanan saka angya kheba tam salaina bagui request khlaimani borok narjakliya the opposition CPIM MLAs have once again walked out of Tripura Assembly today after its questions were rejected to be discussed. After opposition left, Education Minister Ratan Lalnath addressed on 10,323 teachers issue and got stand for them. Tripura Assembly ni the opposition leader CPIM ni MLAs rok bongni question ti bongni sungmung ti discuss khlaina bagui jeri koimung narmuna amo gosije ni bagui borok ongkhori phaikha amnulo chini rungprung mantri bo saka 10,323 je rungprung sabongni ti borokni ganao borok bai government tongo hnai ingkor satai saka taking addressing media, Manik Sarkar said, coronavirus has turned a deadly issue for all over the world. Late curfew in the state. In the Business Advisory Committee, they requested to shorten the assembly session. Our members did not oppose it, as already due to coronavirus outbreak emergency is going on. Opposition leader Saka kok thunai rong je coronavirus o haing kotorma krungui no belakhi kirmai sing phaijak tai chini o haubo curfew rojak engke boro Saka je assembly je short khlaimani abo borok no boro abo sajainya sajago phiaba borni je kok sunglaimung ba salana muchungmani akokno se salaina muchungnan kokno se salaijen bai borok sajaiya nei. But in the topics of the discussion, it was seen that only budget will be discussed in the assembly, which itself a big topic which may kill maximum time. Among us, borok type saka, the assembly wo the budget session of budget initially discuss nai, moti nai. Tai ko bonobo. Discuss khobnan bagi borok samani borok saka this long discussion process may cross evening, which is very risky due to coronavirus threat. Prosaka abo je bi topics nuti je kok salang mani 323 abono salain thangke sarik krungnai jetanaki coronavirus je tabu kirma singsa amon bagai balekino risks dong nei. We demanded to shorten that part of pardon, requested Chief Minister. What measures have been taken for coronavirus prevention and what steps have been taken for the poor? Aro je sungjagmanike borok coronavirus je prevention je kasuna bagai an bagai tam step na hajaka tai kri busarang bagai tam step na hajanai ni borok kok sanglakya ke khajan taute bu sang aro kama kogno tongo je salaijanai aro 10,323 je rungpunai seborong bagai discussion ni tubna bagai je samani borok sorkarni pokhe gosiya the speaker permission liya ar rejang bagai borok angkori phekya ke discussion khlain thangangke somo bisi nangnai hini je sorkar borok samani abo discussion khlain thang somoy nangnai no inke bongni je assembly ni speaker bo tangba permission liya abo to saimia Fia hai tini chini rung phurung mantri bo sajauka government borbai tongo nei 10,323 je rung phunai seboroi tongo nei ke phani salo nungjanai borok busu jorti tong borbai borong bagi tam khlaiya khajang tawte bo sunoro pulenchi paithak jora angbai krung tong boi no belai kino hambai